Mamema Akwaba Ever Ghana and Sem TV GH. Mesra will like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, Usambe Kabi. Eushanfo. And then Meka NPP asem. You know, mostly I miss go NDC for so. By then the make NDC NPP asem. Now, I think it's important that I speak about this. We lost election 2024. Every year, yeah, no problem. And we have considered, say, we played a part in our defeat. There are certain things that we didn't do right, certain strategies that we didn't pick right. And it's all part of the reason why Ghanaians asked us to go to the house, go and sit in the house, and better luck next time. I believe strongly, sir, 2024 defeat, it's not as if Ghanaians were playing us wicked, though. But now I'm share your lessons. But unfortunately, what I'm noticing is I say NPP, we have not learned our lesson yet. Or we are refusing to learn our lesson. Actually, in the whole world, politically, the youth are taking over. The youth are taking over. The youth are taking over. And it's a NPP as a party, see, you create committees and staff. One would expect, say, NPP would put in the majority youth. Because the youth are taking over. The youth have the energy to do the work. When you look at NDC, a 35-year-old person is a regional minister in the Ashanti region under NDC. 35 years old. Young man, 35 years, or a regional minister. If John Mahama doesn't do anything right, Grana, that one alone, that thing he has done alone, he got it right. Now committees for me, NPP. The same old people are same old people. Some of these old people are the main reasons why we are where we are today. Some of them, they are the reason why we are in opposition today. And instead of giving young people the chance to come and serve the party, go and look at the names. We are not saying, say, we know some more expertise ni bibia. Banka, they should sit back and give their support to the young ones. Let the young ones go and fire. NDC, the moment who say we are good at the Nyoya, they bring it to the limelight. Sami Jenfimu, Malik Basintalemu, Edem Agbanamu. These were young people. Young people. Okuye to a black wasa. When Atamas was giving him appointment, young man. But were they not able to perform? Were they not able to bring NDC into power? I didn't NPP to say, we don't like talent discovery at all. Matikra say, Ebana yewa power or something like that, no. Papa be a PhD holder. Oba my name. Also personal communication, no. Stress and mass stressing as a man no chance, no. Na easy. I didn't hear you, sir. Something that is very, very bad, and people, we must pay critical attention to that. And yes, sir, that's why we have lost a lot of people to NDC. Say, say, now could you to me now me NPP for? Some judge now me NPP. You're making the same mistake, and is not the best. And I think, say, we should talk about it. Yes, I've said it. I've said my piece. Sorry if anyone ends up offended, but the truth must be spoken. Let's go and listen to this conversation. I'll see you bit
make I say top 5 media house in Ghana and I will kind once in a while no near the Muswaba. No matter better, no matter masem. ye cause o ma dwen mu edo enye se wo tenkran na enje se wo tenkran no wa ben edim kasa che wo bi a won tenkran eti ye domo so ba menua can you imagine se obi fi kira what kira e na se wo mra ya mana ba wa ba bete movement tv kira afo ni sunanefo ene ifo etechimafo nyina hu go so fo nyina hu se abrante na baba wa okasa wo kira ni sunane radio stations ene wo movement tv ene wo utv ene wo asase ene wo na2 wo psf na wo kasa kwaku ehye omun kra se meso mejire me ho a party ni behume ama meso betiba ko be wo kasa I can tell you one day ni ba kwa ni ba no osan kwa wa fipo wa kusa no airport and I say bus terminal MPP for many city me ye ho say enipa nan bi ena sabi period so metima kasa ama part the whole party no enya no kresa hinta me camp sabo say we are not bereft of human resource of top notch communicators waku eto le bia wo poti bi ye unity bi media house bi ewo program ebien ba kwa woko bibia sanka ne se wontime nko afi na party ne struggle say hwan ne bem na kosi obi anan identity statement say MPP ya budget statement state of the nation address assembly ye ka memne da anase programs akese ho oman no na MPP for schedule so bi enko ha afi bibi 20 mi anko a afi ya tu ani hu bia eyel mugwase maye etimi da message ami address mbeye comms director at any point in time no edisi nya less than 100 top notch communicators who say we are man we so ba eye eto bia obi a wa ment afi program ba obi so bi edi say yes so ye na person ko na make
all right good but eto bia nya nipa no munya but I say yes CD some stations ama some
specific and America no say enye say nipa ni ho eni pa na buso kwaku be kan ho say be producer me course kakra maye at least my political science kakra my marketing kakra my communication kakra my brands kakra my international marketing minim class bi a metre bia no lectures e be che ade no more than half of them do na ye MPP for okwa bonta test confo na abuei enipa bebre tifie bi bebre ay professionals ebi a nurses ebi a teachers ebi accountants omo pe kwan aba be kasa ma MPP akwaku na aye boachi bidi hwe one day ebusa Dr Bano Dr Bano so no one started who say at a point in time after they will be until in kebi
only one lawyer if no lawyer Sewa a former Ghana head of state a champion
neba okay
ne baba if no lawyer Sewa a champion
okay
me omo na any omo start
o say phone na kire no ese wote kwadai me busa mu no me ade kwacha me sade ne back on air bebre ni say no Dankwa Institute and no press conference me share me read press statement no do say na ensem wom hwan ye ya Dr Bano na me reach out to say doc na ye yi one me di ko say e be office South Africa buy obi akobo ni PhD kama ya was acha de was South Africa University wo ya MPP ni wo buy na wo say obeso be join MPP communication no now a team no ne say be ya bibi ni a ko sha branch bi so say tete na ho che Dr Bano. I'm talking about Dr. Frank Bano. Why economist? Why lecturer? Yes. Onumpo. Enti uye ne sana. Na wo pamo nkofo. Empacho abrante na so mochi ni. Baba Mando. Baba Mando was a fantastic communicator. See man opportunity mo ba say Enoch Ake. But man opportunity. Anybody bebre omo ba brand ba kubu wo keep ko say hallelujah. Oh my goodness. Fantastic communicator.
Masini.
David Watch. Omo nyina solid guys. Eti yemu obi opportunity. Na omo nyina emra no make na party nyina pa ba ko for dia. Party ni say obi ko tamba bi no okasa. Na laptop de nanim na wo hwe o ma data ne ade a. Sabi data nya ne dia wo aye MPP ye data aye NDC data ya team ene akika bom eti yankika teams ni bom se data de be ma boache ye de ama asomasi ye de ama sewa ye de ama asana mujida mokota bonten kota TV radio so we say yes this is a solid team
that senior working say obi say David Boache the Bunu East Regional Secretary
yes
o share the communication skills na o share the about clarity
yes
any the BBA no I wonder how the party is not pushing such a person na in fact because I do baby no me feel say I dey think na yam Timima David Emma
the challenge is David challenge is say one thing crime na it is on war back cry I saw one a pen hotel koda
no me hwe no me look you see go to the beer na de na kwakwa say I say any station be there
where in the abona ma
to the mission na kwa say ni pass me see there ye piano pass say say onyuru nipa
o so piano so
piano so uju ebu one what you say nipa there say there is a deliberate he say piano
me was watch handbrake
na
on pia ka de nko
onu baby ni utu say we dey ye piano obi nso so timu say o say baby ono
uyin
kata ni mu ni say apa eno an say we pie no kon baby enti they should find a way of doing it so Nyankopon ye wadom na say oba na be national communication director you should be able to do that opokumensa say me chiao and nipa be chiao former
what's what chia me
opokumensa say me chiao
opokumensa so chiao so no o se ne awoka no oni o ya adwene
sa ho
yes ye bo pam ane ye se okomuden ba ye de o mo bo ye pam na ye ko no ye nse mudin o ne ye jai na ye to sa because ya mo afa ne say ye jimi and this for hu se Ghana for ye jimi edi no mo pe bia na mo de ye say ye jimi ya man bia ye serious a nka sa akọ nka ba this time nka say wa resign from the position bi ohodu e wa ban nu nka wa resign but say ide na aka che no oda so enjoy goodies na abane de man no
maestro me back why
ma
Ghana
jollof
me no
be me from me number no me sister no unya yo tina one pound frame maintain tina
aye much showing
Matia you
ay jollof no
and now the voice of NPP be me na me chia me mu na de me dwadie na mu di o me what madana ye radi
all right what your kwada bra be chew
me kwaba the my
kwada bra be chew you
as ye citizens na ye wo manum no omo de ade ne ye a enye ya editam bia omo bekoso de aye because ye nim nyansa say e ya ade say omo de ye na ye che omo say ade wo mo de ye ya na ye kompreni a nankai omo be hu say ye ni abre ye kompreni ye because omo be kompreni omo wo media houses no ene omo nyina da pay rules so
exactly
omo nyina da pay rules so edi mi say Ghana wo ya ye mobo Ghana ye mobo today because ye nu obi obekan asemaman obi enu obekan asemaman media no aye corrupt to the sense say ene TikTokers and this for the TikTokers even TikTokers they don't pay rules so ene young guys ye hu say oh yeah near Moscow ko build studio be another Kevin Taylor mine sa na omo ye enti what's the fate of the country minor it ni fate ni sen because omo me ya na me dwen ho amenti ase say wo no say 20,000 na say 10,000 na ye de ma wa boss me bia wani age no say ya de kan wa me bi say obetuma twa print take de ana ya de kan wa obekwa akofre MP ni say oh say de me yare nti me sraw ma miskama me nkotwa print take mfa nko abrochi because doctors no they say omo so na omo di omo atemi say asemti a ye hwe mu ta kando asemti a no ma fa camera gidi showcase omo ene unhwe ndisi for governance omo ye na omo ko toilet ko omo de camera ko omo ko toilet omo de camera ko na Ghana hu so omo Ghana fo hu so omo ye aduma very sad say ye the health sector no ye the politics to a sense say a minister na onufu ya appointing no ni tenure of office no eko 4 years no onu timi fro put obi whole career out say ni person's way na why say because omu nim nyansa and this for mpanfo na ebinum ni nyansa adwena ye de dwene omu nim bi diplomacy a ewo case me say ade we mamen add sense mean add diplomacy omu nim nyansa no ento omu ye bibia omu ye o say a layman point of view no my yen sa na nka mpanyimfo yɛde mo di anim deɛ sɛ nka nim sɛ nka mo na mo tutu anamɔ no na yɛdi mo akyi ba mo na mo hwe ase na yɛ yɛdi akyi sɛ bɛyɛ den ɔho na ubie wa no a muntimi nya mo mfiri nkɔ if the kitchen is too much for you get out say ya no mo ka che last 2026 2016 right 2015 2016 sa no mo ka che
yen tunkotogo sa
if the kitchen is too hot for you get out well but yes sir Ghana for your short memory India see your IQ level no low your low IQ ya nwini nkwa achiri ya nwini because ya di ye na ochina omuma efufuo di a omma ya agberima ne ya de kɔbɔ akɔhoma omuma ya dokono edi a ne awire fi no mu wiaye no mu says ka no mu top private jet omo yare a na ya de omo ko UK ne yakoso omo yare na omo amba no mu asan be wiaye because ya jimi citizens ya jimi because ya hwen say oti oman na waji adamude waji 500 series 200 series a obaji ndin o nka no kre ebi the likes of Captain Smart no eno obi aka na no atum ya hwe sofu ya waye ne ko hu ntintintin Kofi Oduro sorry say my friend sofu Kofi Oduro akufo ade to tim tie na ja jimi no onya sofu ma me na
sofu we sofu asia we
I sorry
tie na ja jimi no ene de untimi nkaze tie mahama nya jimi na nyame obetwie nipa ka no maaye Bible say wo de ho to no so a ade nyina di bua wo na ewie onyi ye hwe ne omo kafa akufu ade ho nyina na omo kafa akufu ade ho nyina enne omo am ya hu say akufu ade nyame ye nyame na me ka asem we di atwa to say omo say if you are not there and I say don't judge your father before you become an adult. Don't judge your father before you become an adult. And this for they judge NPP, almost judge here, even though they didn't know what was going on in the economy. They didn't know whatever was going on. And Ghana for ye deserve Kasantue and Kasaya and NDC for catch rain. Say ye the here, doctors no munja and Ghana will survive. Ye area omo yawo abibidro head minister akando oboka ko tete hama am ya sayade nti na ye hia doctors me da ase mo me yenwene ho na ye nto abayi mi nyam da ase